Okay, this is the 2021 paper 2 question 1. They tell you show that the equation this has only one solution and find its value correct to two significant figures. So essentially they're asking you to solve for this equation, right? Because they want you to find the solution and at the same time show that it only has one solution, right? So let's write this equation out. Right, this e to the power of negative x, what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to change it to positive powers, meaning to say just e to the power of x to be like so. And here you can see that I have e to the power of x here, I have e to the power of x here. Why not we use the method of substitution to help us see it better, right? I will let e to the power of x be y, right? And from here we can see, oh, this just becomes 3y plus 5 equals to 2 over y. And if you can see this very clearly, this thus becomes a quadratic equation because I'm just going to multiply both sides by y. And here I just get 3y squared plus 5y equals to 2. Right, I'm going to bring the 2 over. I just get it to be 3y squared plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. Right? This just becomes a very simple quadratic equation which you can solve using your calculator. And you will get it to be y minus 1, 3y minus 1 and y plus 2 equals to 0. Of which when you solve this, you will just get 3y equals to 1 or y equals to minus 2. Of which e to the power of x would equals to minus 2, or in this case we need to simplify this a bit further. We get y equals to 1 over 3 and we can say e to the power of x equals to 1 over 3. Here you will need to know that you have to reject this value because an exponent to the power of anything should give you a positive value. So it is impossible for you to get negative value and hence you need to reject it. As for the other side, we are able to solve this, right? We just need to ln both sides. And you get ln e to appear. Bring the x down, your answer would be ln 1 over 3. Right? Let's see what the answer in the question wants you to give your answer to. Two significant figures. So you just press this in your calculator, right? Ln 1 over 3, right? Of which you will get it to be negative 1.098. Round this off to two significant figures, I get my answer to be negative 1.1. And this is how you show that it only has one solution. Here shown that it only has one solution. And at the same time, we have found our value of our x. And we'll write here in two significant figures. And this is how you do question 1.